Hi, I'm Ashley, the Monogram Mompreneur. Welcome back to my channel if you're new here. Love is in the air and I've got a cute little Mommy and Me Valentine sweatshirt I did today. So stay tuned to see how I made these cute Mommy and Me Sublimation sweatshirts. So today what we're going to be using to make the Mommy and Me sweatshirts, we're going to use the pink Heat Press Nation Craft Pro 15x15 heat press. We're going to be using a Sawgrass SG1000 printer because this one can do 11x17 paper because we're going to make a bigger one for the mommy shirt. And we're going to be using text print R paper. I'm not sure if they still make it. It's just the paper I've had. Our butcher paper from Sam's Club, that's super important. Our lint roller, and then we're gonna be using some Gildan 50/50 white sweatshirts. They're 50% cotton, 50% polyester. So I have a little, this is size extra small. It's like a 4-5. And then this one, we're gonna have to really lint roll these because they're very linty. Okay, so we have the heat press set to 400 degrees for 60 seconds and we're about to print our designs. So I'm just using Sawgrass Print Manager. I just imported it into Sawgrass, the print folder, and I'm just gonna print it. I haven't edited anything. This design is from Etsy. So I'm just gonna hit print. You wanna make sure it's mirrored. You wanna go through and make sure you have all your stuff correct, the correct size paper, and I'm gonna do vivid print, okay? So now we're just gonna print. For the mama shirt, I printed it around 10-ish inches, 10.5 inches. I'm gonna make it really big, because sometimes I feel like the 8 can get small, especially when you have small little sections. So that one is printing on, I changed to the 11x17 paper. So it's just gonna print now, and then we are gonna lint roll like our life depends on it, because I have a feeling there's a lot of lint on these sweatshirts. All right, so it's printing on the 11x17 paper, and it's pretty vibrant. I have it on vivid setting. It's pretty vibrant, so I'm excited to see the colors, especially on the white. Ooh. Ooh, I wonder if that's too big. It's so cute. This design, it was from Etsy, one of my favorite little design shops. Okay, let's go ahead and lint roll. Okay, so here are the matching designs, Mama and Minnie. Okay, so we're gonna lint roll, and lint roll again. So again, these are 50% poly, 50% cotton Gildan sweatshirts. And I have sublimated these before and they turned out really good. So I'm hoping this works still. I'm a little nervous because there is a ton of lint on these. They've been stored with some color stuff. So we are just gonna keep lint rolling the whole thing. Okay. Let's go on to the adult one. Okay, now that we've lint rolled, we are going to pre-press. I'm going to center fold and do a press there so I know where center is, and then we're gonna go ahead and sublimate these. I have a feeling with this one, I'm gonna use a pressing pillow or my tea paddets to kind of elevate because we have this seam right here. Okay, let's go ahead and pre-press to get the moisture out and get them sublimated. I am gonna put a sheet of butcher paper in between just so there's no bleed through from the front to the back. since we're doing super red and black, I don't want to have any bleed through. I'm gonna find center and fold it, and then I'm gonna trim it. Word from someone who's trimmed it before I found center. It's gonna look a little off because of the heart, but we always wanna find center. I centered it on the print manager, so I know when I crease this, that's the exact center. All right, I'm gonna trim this up real quick. Good, I can get a better idea of how big it is. I'm gonna go about 3 fingers down for the top of my design. So I'm just gonna line it. Looks good. Let's add the butcher paper to the top, and then it's gonna heat for 60 seconds at 400 degrees. I'm a little nervous. Let's see. Okay, it didn't scorch it, so that was good. It did scorch the paper a little. Okay, let's get in close and see. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. It looks awesome. Look at that. Look how good this looks. Let's shake the paper out. Let's see if it had any show through. Nope, we were safe. It was thick enough. I think definitely if you did on a white shirt. Guys, look how adorable. And we didn't have any blue dots. So I'm super excited about that. Ta-da! Okay, let's go ahead and do the mini version. I'm super excited. These are so gorgeous, and actually they are Valentine's-y, but they're not super Valentine's-y, so you could wear them all winter long. Okay, let's go ahead and do the mini. Okay, so now we're gonna do the little one. This is the extra small. The one I did before was a medium adult, and this is the extra small kids. Okay, so I wanna make sure this stays off, and we're probably gonna use my tea padded for this. It almost reminds me of a mouse pad, if we're being honest. It probably is a mouse pad, but I like these. So this fits perfect on this one, and so we're just gonna make sure that fits perfect. That elevates it to get away from that neck seam and the bottom seam. Uneven pressure causes a lot of problem with sublimation. So you just want to make sure you have even pressure. Okay, so let's pre-press. I get a lot of questions. Do you reuse the butcher paper? Unfortunately, no. I wouldn't reuse it because even if you don't see the shadow, I've had shadow show up when I reuse something. So just get a new fresh pair, use it to jot down notes, recycle it however you want to reuse the paper, but don't reuse it on your sublimation projects. So I'm going to go ahead and add the tea padded in while I'm doing the pre-press, so that way I can make sure I have the pressure correct. See how it elevates that spot? And we're going to have to adjust the pressure. There we go. Okay, we already added the tea padded. As you can see it right, the outline of it. I have it right where the design should be, and so I'm just gonna fold this since it's centered in my software. And we're gonna add it to the shirt. I like to go for children, just like I do applique shirts, 1 to 1.5 inches down from the top. So I'll probably go about 1 inch down from the top with this one. I'm gonna go ahead and trim it. Okay, I trimmed it so it's nice and I can see better. So we're just gonna find our center. Okay, let's do our butcher paper. All right, 60 seconds. Okay, it is almost ready to go. Cute. I was a little worried when I brought it up, it kind of shifted. So if you ever feel like you're getting that, use heat tape. But I got lucky that time. So look how adorable. Look at that. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I just love sublimation. It is so quick and easy, and the results are pretty incredible. So I hope you can make some fun Valentine's sweatshirts. Again, these are just the Gildan sweatshirts, 50 poly, 50 cotton from jiffyshirts.com. But I will link the exact one I used as well as everything else in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you hit subscribe. We would love to have you here on the channel. And until next time, bye for now.